Hello everybody, today I am going to make another episode of Force of Nature. That is because I want to try out a new thing. This time I will be more careful. I will pick up every single thing on the ground. Mein Wort und Spielen. Alright, let's see. No, let's restart the game. Speichern und bieten. Spiel bieten. Alright, I am going to create a new word. Neues Spiel. Mein Wort. Okay. Alright, time for some dramatic intro music by Storm Varney and Forces of Nature. There we go, our boys right there lying on the ground looking at the sky in epiphany. Wo bin ich? Come on, get up quickly, I want to play. Alright, this time I'm gonna pick everything up from the ground, making sure that there's nothing that I haven't picked. Alright, let's start from this Kokosnuss, Weizen und Weizensamen. Und we got Stock and Steinsplitter. Und another Steinsplitter. We got another Stock und Steinsplitter. There we go. Und Erdbeere. Erdbeere means strawberries, in case you didn't know. Oh my goodness, my frame rates. Yes, we got a bunch of Palmwieder and Steinsplitter, Palmwieder and Kokosnuss, Weizensamen und Weizensamen. Und sie got some more Stock. Yes, Erdbeere. Stock and Steinsplitter, Steinsplitter und Stock und Erdbeere. Erdbeere is my friend, Steinsplitter is another friend. We find a banana and coconuts on the ground. We pick them up and we eat them all. Ooh, Palmwieder. If we have 4 Palmwieder, we will be able to make a messer and an axe. Yes, we found 4 Palmwieder. Alright, this time we just need to craft. And we should be good. Now that I have picked a lot of things up, I will be able to craft quickly without having to find every single thing when they come around. Alright, we are gonna need to make a Zeil. Okay, let's see. If we need to make a Zeil, that means we should use Steinbitter as Werkzeug and then ein Zeil. Auswählen, yeah. You know what, let's make 2 Zeil. Rezepte und Zeil auswählen. Okay. Oh, Rubin Splitter. Rubin Splitter is good for making fire. Alright, it is getting dark. I'm going to make a campfire. Oh, a banana. Und Stock. Alright, campfire right here. Konstruktionen, Lagerfeuer, auswählen. There we go. Eigenschaften. Und we see. What do we need? Now, next level. Eiderstein. Und what? What do we need for level 2? Steinsplitter und Zeil. We need to make a messer, right? Steinmesser. Okay, let's make a Steinmesser. Steinsplitter 0 aus 1. That means I need another Steinsplitter. No problem. I will find another Steinsplitter. Alright, let's make a Steinmesser. Auswählen. Okay. Und we got a Steinmesser. Okay, let's make a Steinaxt. Okay, what is this? Nicht verfügbar. That means we're not at that level yet. That means we should be doing something. We should be ticking off some. Wait. Eigenschaften. Let's see, now's the level. Mache ein Lagerfeuer. Oh no, I have to do these in wait, I have to do all of these tasks in order? Alright, I think I messed up something. Maybe I should be doing all of it all over again, right? I can't read much German, so it's kind of my fault. So that I do things in the wrong way and then cannot progress with the game. Okay, I have a problem with going to the next level, so I will be quitting out to the menu, Meeden, and then change to English and then continue with my game. And then we can try to figure things out. Maybe going headfirst with German is not a good idea. Oh, what's wrong? Why am I out here? I'm supposed to be inside with my Lagerfeuer. First steps, what is this? Find and pick up items, palm leaves. Okay, got Splinter and palm leaf. But hey, I picked them up, but I made them into knives and all of those. Okay, so we're in trouble. Let's save and exit. Let's delete the game. Delete word, yeah. Oh, it's not a game. To generate a new word, please restart the game first. Alright. Exit game for now. Alright, let's try and make a new game. Alright, mine wird okay. Wird generieren. Wird generieren. Forces of Nature. Wo bin ich? Was ist das für ein Ort? Alright, I'm gonna pick up everything. Alright, we have Aufgaben here. I should be paying attention to this. Let's find one Rubin Splitter. Alright, one Rubin Splitter for me. Alright, what's next? Palmwedo, Steinsplitter. Du hast eine neue Aufgabe. Alright, let's make a Seil auswählen. Wählen. And make a Seil auswählen. Okay. Alright, we have a new Aufgaben. Du hast eine neue Aufgaben. Okay, let's see. What is our Aufgaben? Nächste Level. Und stelle ein Steinmesser her. Nicht vollendet. Not complete. Okay, let's make a Steinmesser. Schließen. Auswählen. Okay. Alright, we have ourselves a Steinmesser. Und du hast neue Aufgaben. Let's check our Aufgaben. Mache eine Lagerfeuer nicht vollendet. Okay, Lagerfeuer. Alright, I need 3 more stock. I can get it, no problem. 3 more stock. Stock. Und stock. Okay. Stock, where are you? Alright, finally I found you, Stock. Okay, let's get back and build a Lagerfeuer. Constructione Lagerfeuer auswählen. There we go. Finally, we can go to next level after this. Come on, build, 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 build. Come on, nice, Lagerfeuer. Alright, let's see our progress eingeschaffen. Und nächste Level. Level 2. Steinsplitter und Seil. 2 of them and 1 Seil. Okay, that's not a big deal. Palmwedo, and we will be making ourselves a Steinaxt. Gnostic level Seil. We got no Seil. Okay, we need a stock. What do we need? Something, right? Abbrechen, einschaffen. Let's see, nächste Level. Seil and Steinsplitter. We need 1 more Seil. Okay, no problem. There we have a Seil, okay. And now we have a Seil. Und Eigenschaften. Let's see. What can we make? Ooh, okay. Nächste Level. Stelle Gunhande Aster her. What do we need? Gunhande Aster. How can I get that? Alright, I'm gonna have to try again. Maybe I'll try to change our language to English. Alright, now I understand a bit more. Okay, I will saving an exit and then get our Deutsch in and then Setzen mein Will spielen. I know what I'm gonna do now. I have to find my stock and then put it into the bonfire, put it into the Lagerfeuer. And after putting it into the Lagerfeuer, I can get the glowing embers. And okay, Lagerfeuer, Rezepte, glühende Asche, 3 of them. Alright, we need stock. Let's get some stock. Alright, there's another stock. And we should be able to craft some glowing embers. Rezepte, glühende Asche. Okay, let's make 9 of them. Auswählen. Come on now, I need another stock. I just need another stock, mate. Come on, give me a stock. Alright, I'm seeing another stock. Now I will be able to pick it up and make another. Okay, Herstellung vollendet glühende Asche. Alright, let's see. Alright, our glühende Asche is 30. Rezepte, let's make 6 of them. Okay. After that, we will have to make a grab stock. Not a problem. Okay, let's make a grab stock. Alright, if I want to make a grab stock, I will need some Palmdero. Right? Inventar. Oh, we just need to have 1 stock. Alright, let's look for 1 more stock. Okay, I found another stock. Let's come back to our campfire and let's see if our burning embers are still there. What is burning? Glühende Asche. Alright, let's take all of them. And let's see. Nächste Level. Und okay, gut. Let's make a grab stock. Grab stock. Auswählen. Okay. Oh, it's raining in the game, but in real life, at my place, it's raining too. Okay, another objective complete. Nächste Level. Grabe nach Sand, Lehm und Erde. Oh, Sand, Ton, Erde. Oh, Ton is Lehm. Okay, look at these. We have Lehm in front of us. And we have Erde in front of us too. Alright, let's put in number 1. E. Alright, we will be able to have some Lehm over here. What do we have? Erde and Lehm. Ton, okay, ton or Lehm, whatever. Let's get some sand. Oh, I need to get 5 of each, okay. Let's get 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. We have enough ton. Let's get some Erde. 1. Oh, we have worm. Erde. 2, 3, 4. Erde. And let's get some sand into our place. Oh, this game is so addicting. Like, I am told what to do, but really it is so fun. I don't know why. Okay, let's get 4 of the sand. I'm having so much fun. I hope that you guys have fun too. Alright, task complete. New Aufgabe. Okay, let's check out our Aufgabe. Nächste Level. Weitere Werkzeug. We need a new tool. Okay, we will need a Steinaxt, Steinsplitterhacke und Baumstamm und Stein. 5 Stein, 10 Baumstamm. Alright, that means we made a Steinaxt. Schließen. How am I going to make a slime worm? Okay, we need some more palm data. Maybe item just randomly spawn into a word like this whenever I complete an achievement. I shouldn't be gathering all of them. Alright, Stein Splitter, banana, I need palm beetle. Come on, just pop out. It's so dark. Banana und Erdbeere, I need palm beetle. Please give me palm beetle. Palm beetle, please. What is this? Erdbeere? I need palm beetle. Palm beetle. Ik brauche du. Palm beetle. Palm beetle. Okay, I don't seem to have any palm beetle. Alright, this game is unplayable. I think that is my fault partly, but yeah, I cannot find any palm beetle, and now I have to end the episode because I have nothing left to do. So if you want to, you can always check out my other videos and always subscribe and follow another playlist. Thank you for watching und goodbye. Speichern und werden und Spiel werden.